Let's now talk about how you form negative sentences in the past simple, starting with the verb to be, because to be is a special verb with its own special rules. So to negate to be in the past simple, you simply add not after the verb. So if I have I was, I simply add not to get I was not. You were not. He, she, it was, he, she, it was not. We were not. They were not. And here is how you negate other verbs in the past simple. You take the base form of the verb and add did not before. And it's the same for regular and irregular verbs. So in negative sentences in the past simple, things are much easier. Here are examples. I watched, I did not watch. You went, you did not go. He, she, it got, he, she, it did not get. We came, we did not come. And they had, and they did not have. So notice how the base form of the verb is not conjugated. It's just the base form of the verb. And all we do is add did not before to turn it into a negative sentence in the past simple. Very easy. Don't forget about contractions. So to contract means to make something smaller, and contractions are when we combine two words into one, and we do this because it makes it easier to speak. For the past simple negative, you need to remember that typically when speaking, we will not say did not, we say didn't. For example, I did not watch becomes I didn't watch, and we did not come becomes we didn't come. Contractions are considered informal, so they are appropriate for speaking, but not for formal writing, which is what you need to do on an English proficiency test. So while writing on the test, don't use contractions, but while speaking on the test, contractions are appropriate.